Denon PMA-3000NE honest review. So, let's go to its build and design. The PMA-3000NE carries Denon's signature premium build with a brushed aluminum front panel and solid knobs. It feels robust and high-end, perfect for an audiophile setup. Let's go to the sound quality. It delivers 140 watts per channel, offering warm detailed sound that pairs beautifully with vinyl turntables and high-res digital sources. The sound stage is wide and natural with excellent separation and clarity. Next is the connectivity. You get multiple analog inputs, optical and coaxial digital inputs, USB DAC support for PC playback, and a dedicated phono stage for turntables. Next is the usability. The amplifier is easy to set up and intuitive to use, making it beginner friendly while still offering advanced controls for experienced users. Next is the value for money. It's quite pricey, but it offers audiophile grade performance that justifies the cost for serious music enthusiasts. So, for a final verdict, if you want a versatile integrated AMP that excels with both vinyl and high resolution audio streaming, the Denon PMA-3000NE is an excellent choice. So, if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.